One sunny morning, Clown Boopy visited the low preschool with a special mission to show the little ones how fun school can be. Boopy arrived with his big red nose, colorful outfit, and a bag full of surprises. The babies were nervous about starting school, but Boopy had a plan. "Hello, little friends," Boopy said with a big smile. "Today, we're going to have an adventure and discover how amazing school can be." First, Boopy performed funny magic tricks, making colorful scarves appear and turning a rubber chicken into a balloon animal. The babies giggled with delight. Next, Boopy led the babies to the art corner. "Let's create some beautiful pictures," he said. The babies eagerly drew rainbows, animals, and even funny clowns. After that, Boopy read a funny story about a clumsy penguin who learned to dance. The babies laughed and clapped, enjoying every moment. Finally, Boopy showed the babies the playground. "School is also about having fun," he said. The babies played on the swings, slid down the slides, and chased bubbles. As the day ended, Boopy said, "See, school is wonderful. I hope you're all excited to come back tomorrow." The babies cheered, "Feel,"